Hi, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. In this video, we will create responsive sliders with Slider Revolution. We will cover why responsive sliders are crucial, how to adjust elements for different devices, and use breakpoints for seamless designs across all of the screen sizes. Responsive sliders are essential for maintaining a consistent user experience across desktops, laptops, and mobile phones. A well-designed responsive slider ensures that your content looks great no matter the device, enhancing users' engagement and accessibility. In Slider Revolution, you can adjust your design for different screen sizes using Responsive Editor. For screen responsive options, click on this icon. Here you can see different options like desktop, notebook, tablet, and mobile. Now you can also hide slides on responsive, like notebook, tablet, and mobile. From this menu, you can select the screen you want to make responsive and make its breakpoint. You can select from notebook, desktop, tablet, and mobile. Now, from over here, you can select the screen version which you want to edit. Now we can see the notebook screen is in between these dots. We have to adjust our content in between these lines. Now we can also adjust tablet mode from over here. Now you can adjust your content in between these breakpoint lines. You can align the content according to the screen resolution. You can also decrease the size of text according to your screen. By doing these changes, your slides will be responsive for every screen. You can also preview your changes by clicking on the preview button on the right bottom. That's how you can create a responsive slider in Slider Revolution, ensuring a seamless experience on all devices. Subscribe for more tutorials on Slider Revolution.